Imagine unlocking a biological switch in your body that transforms fat into energy, sharpens your focus, and reboots your metabolism. This isn't a futuristic promise, it's the natural power of ketosis. In a world overwhelmed by quick fixes and fad diets, ketosis stands out as a scientifically grounded metabolic state with profound health benefits. Ketosis is a metabolic process in which the body, deprived of sufficient carbohydrates, turns to fat as its primary fuel source. During this shift, the liver breaks down fats into molecules called ketones, which serve as an alternative energy supply for the brain and muscles. This state is most commonly achieved through a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet known as the ketogenic or keto diet. Under normal conditions, the body relies heavily on glucose, derived from carbohydrates, as its main energy source. However, when carbohydrate intake is drastically reduced, glucose levels drop, insulin production decreases, and the body begins to burn stored fat for energy. This metabolic adaptation is not only natural but evolutionarily designed to support human survival during times of food scarcity. The benefits of ketosis extend far beyond weight loss. Numerous studies have shown that this metabolic state can significantly reduce hunger, improve mental clarity, and stabilize energy levels. Moreover, ketosis has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, making it a promising approach for managing type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. For individuals suffering from neurological disorders, such as epilepsy, ketosis has been used therapeutically for decades, with growing interest in its potential benefits for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Delving deeper, ketones, particularly beta-hydroxybutyrate, are not just fuel. They act as powerful signaling molecules, influencing gene expression, reducing inflammation, and even promoting mitochondrial health. This means that being in ketosis may help protect the body against oxidative stress and age-related decline, offering a form of cellular rejuvenation from within. However, achieving and maintaining ketosis requires discipline and a clear understanding of nutrition. It typically involves reducing net carbohydrate intake to under 50 grams per day, prioritizing healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, while ensuring adequate protein intake to support muscle maintenance. Hydration and electrolyte balance are also crucial to minimize side effects such as the so-called keto flu during the initial adaptation phase. Those considering ketosis should be mindful of its individual variability. While many experience enhanced energy and fat loss, others may need time to adapt or should consult with a healthcare provider, especially if they have existing medical conditions. So how can you know if you're truly in ketosis? Monitoring tools such as urine strips, blood ketone meters, and even breath analyzers can help measure ketone levels. But the real indicators are often felt: reduced hunger, mental sharpness, and a steady stream of energy that replaces the blood sugar roller coaster so many are used to. As interest in low-carb lifestyles grows, understanding the science behind ketosis becomes not only empowering but essential. It is more than a trend, it is a shift in how we fuel, heal, and energize our bodies at the cellular level.